So instead of removing cookie directly from your browser, now I'm gonna show you how you can do that by using PHP. So this is the file of cookie underscore set that we just created in our last lecture, and I'm gonna save this file as cookie underscore unset.php. Now there are a couple of ways you can unset your cookie, and I'm gonna share 2 or 3 ways. So we don't need this echo statement right here and this print r statement as well. So we have set our cookie on line 11 and also on line 12. Now it's time we are going to unset our cookie. So the first way of unsetting your cookie will be if you expire time in the negative term. So this time is adding for 1 day. You can expire a cookie by giving it a time of the previous day. So today is the 26th. So if I give it time of 25th, our cookie will be unset. So I'm gonna define here a new variable of expire time underscore unset, and same thing here. First of all, I'm gonna get my today time, and then I'm gonna minus from my today time a day. So in the second it will be 86,400. So if you want to unset your cookie, now first of all, there is no unset function for unsetting your cookie. You can only do that by using your techniques. So first of all, I have to set my cookie, and inside my cookie, same thing, I have to give it name, its content, same with Jazib, and in the expire time I have to give it this negative time variable that I just created. So this statement on line 15 is going to unset my cookie, and right after it I'm gonna create one if condition, and in that condition I'm gonna say is set function for my cookie, and I'm gonna say if my cookie of name is set, then you should echo cookie is set with the name of concatenation of our superglobal of cookie name here. So in case if my cookie is set, then you should give me this echo statement, and else you can say that echo cookie isn't set. So saving this one out, browsing file, cookie is set with the name of Jazib, and on line 15 we are setting it with the expire time. So I have to refresh it again. Now cookie is not set. So if I want to set it again, I can do that by just uncomment this statement of set cookie to this expire time from here. So it going to set my cookie by using this 11 line statement. Saving this one out. So now my cookie is not set. So if I want to unset it, first of all I have to browse that cookie. I hit first enter, and now I have to refresh the page again to set my cookie. Now you can see cookie is set with the name of Jazib. So you can also unset your cookie by giving a null value to your cookie. It will also going to unset your cookie if you give your cookie null value. So saving this one out. Now this time my cookie is set with the name of Jazib. And if I want to unset it, first of all I have to browse that cookie. So I have to refresh my page, nothing happened. Then I have successfully browsed my cookie. Now it's time I can override my cookie by refreshing it again. Now my cookie is not set again. So this is also the way you can assign null to your cookie value if you want to unset it. And also if you want to unset your cookie, you can do that by setting your cookie of name, and instead of giving it any value, you can pass empty string and your expired time unset variable right here. So this is also going to unset my cookie. Now cookie is not set, and if I refresh the page, nothing happened because cookie is not set. So first of all, if I uncomment it, so by using 11 line, first of all I'm going to set my cookie, refresh it again. Now my cookie is set with the name of Jazib. Now I'm going to uncomment this 17th line statement to set my cookie with the empty string, means unsetting cookie. Let me add here unset cookie, saving this one out. Now first of all I have to get that cookie, but before doing that I'm gonna show you what I have in my cookie. Now you can see in localhost I have this cookie of name in which I have Jazib, and if I refresh this page again, mean browse my cookie, nothing happened. And if I refresh it again, means execute this statement of unset cookie, then you can see cookie is not set. So in the option in the cookie panel, you will see that I won't have any cookie of name. Here is the cookie of age, there is no cookie of name because I just unset my cookie of name. So these are the three ways you can unset your cookie. You can set your cookie to unset using negative time, you can set your cookie to null, or you can set your cookie to empty string as well. And if you want to set your cookie for a week, you can do that. So instead of adding 1 day second, you can just simply multiply 60 second with 60 minute with 24 hours, means a day. Then you can multiply it with 7 and it will going to create my cookie for a week. So it's up to you how much time you want your cookie to set or unset. So these line 11 and 12 is going to set my cookie because they are getting the positive time, and these line 15, 16 and 17 is going to unset my cookie because they are getting the negative time, they are getting the null value in my name, they are getting the empty string in my name. So that's how you can set and unset your cookie using PHP. And here is the most important thing of this lecture, and it will be setting and unsetting of your cookie. You should do that before your HTML code, means in your header, because first of all you have to see whether you saved the username and password cookie in your browser or not. And if you saved your cookie in a browser, then you don't have to execute your cookie after HTML. And in case if your cookie is not set, means you need your user to give you username and password, then you have to add this cookie before anything. So to conclude, remember, always add this cookie information in your header. Don't even add a space on line 1 here. It will be wrong for the cookie setup, because first of all you want to see your cookie whether you got it or not, and in case not, then you should give user a different page of HTML.